Hello, in this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on DOOGEE DK10. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and then click on Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy and scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now click Continue and now I will use pattern. Now you have to scroll down again and here you have to check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. And now your account has been removed, so now let's recover your account by opening, for example, Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to sign in. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. And now, as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.